Tingnan nyo guys kung gaano kaganda dito ah. Tingnan nyo pre. Shit man. Like, ayaw mo nang bumalik sa Pinas pag ganito eh.
It's an ITG!
Yeah! Guys, sasama ko naman tayo ngayon. Dito tayo shooting lang kami saglit. Yo, turista ako ngayon guys! Grabe yan. Nagpaalam ka ba sa DepEd?
Muntik ma-hold. Joke.
Second time here. Kung mga hindi natin napuntahan, pupuntahan natin yan. Hey. Aba!
Happy birthday, Aba! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Aba!
Let's go eat! 1, 2.
Okay.
Alright guys, isa sa pinaka-paborito kong lugar dito sa Hong Kong. Ito yun. So yung last day ko last year, dito kami tumambay. Ngayon, first night, first day. Dito rin kami pupunta. Boom. Tingnan nyo guys kung gaano kaganda dito ah. Tingnan nyo pre. Shit man. Like, ayaw mo nang bumalik sa Pinas pag ganito eh. Yan eh.
I see us in the park, strolling the summer days of humanity, and words from a heart told only to the wind.
Yo, turista ako ngayon guys.
Even without there's something about your love that makes me weak and knocks me off my feet. There's something about your love that makes me weak and knocks me off my feet. That knocks me off my feet. I don't wanna bore you with it. Oh, but I love you, I love you, I love you. I don't wanna bore you with it. Oh, but I love you, I love you, I love you. More.
Pogi pala sa personal na ito. I didn't bring any because I didn't plan to play. Yeah. I'm with my boys. Oh, shit. Yeah.
Hong Kong, brother.
Yeah. On
He
court,
said he
bro.
texted you, he know you.
Oh yeah.
He DM'd you right there.
Oh that guy.
He's decent though, he can hoop a little bit.
Oh shit. Alright. Yes sir. Sinundo niya ako sa hotel eh.
Jalo.
Jalo.
Pero hindi mo ko tito ah. Kuya lang ah, kuya.
Kuya. Alright guys, so dito na kami sa what's this court called? Yamate Court. Outdoor court dito sa HK guys. First time ko maglalaro. Yeah. Damn bro. Really shout out to my guy bro. Really shout out to this guy bro. And he let me borrow his shoes. We were the same size.
That's twin.
Let's just go. So guys, yung weather today. So umaga pa lang. Ano, last day na namin. Pero may isa pa akong side quest guys. Pupuntahan ko si Danny sa Macau. So punta pa tayo Macau mamaya. Pupunta ako si Danny mamaya. Tapos, ikot-ikot lang. Iikot na ako sa Macau. Tutor na ako. Habang wala pa yung flight ko mga 9 PM pa yung flight ko. Babalik ako Hong Kong. Punta ako Macau, balik Hong Kong. Tapos yun, uwi na tayo ng Manila. So may isa pa tayong side quest. Before tayo umuwi ng Manila, kitain ko muna si Danny. Let's go. Mag-breakfast lang ako saglit. Shout Bread Talk. Shout out to you, Bread Talk. Ito na ako sa airport.
My shoes are squeaky.
Let's go. Masama ko tayo, guys. Oh, what's up, bro? Tayo na, miss kita, pare.
Halika na, tara na, kain
Go.
na tayo.
Kaya na tayo.
Welcome to Macau, guys.
Thanks,
Papapala
brother.
ako tama.
Okay. Guys, grabe yung sundo natin, no? Okay, guys. So, here na tayo sa Macau. And finally. Finally.
Tawag na ito? Macau brunch.
What we gonna do? What we gonna do?
We're gonna have brunch first. Tsaka after nun, let's go. Gusto mo city walk muna or Cotai Strip?
Bro, ikaw bahala, bro.
Sige, ano
Ikaw
muna tayo?
bahala.
Half nature, half chill out muna.
Bring him to favela. No.
Nililipot nila ako dito, pare. Grabe yung side quest ko to.
Diyan maraming Pinoy naglalaro. Yung court
Here.
na yan. Etong area na yan, basta Pinoy lang naglalaro.
Bro, they line up here ng let's say mga 5 PM pero 6 PM nag-open yung court.
Mismo.
Yeah, then when they get there, nag-aagawan pa like, uy, kami na una.
Pinoy na Pinoy, ah.
Tas
Pinoy na
yung-
Pinoy, ah.
Di ba dalawa siya, naka-divide?
Ah.
Hindi pumapasok yung ma-inject dito.
Ah.
Talagang Pinoy lang.
Oh, shit.
It's good, pero maanghang.
Gago, parang sarap niya, men. Sige, try natin, guys. Try ko yung egg tart nila. So, ito yung anong version to?
Portuguese. Masarap.
Better than Hong Kong.
Mamaya mag-Jason Tatum. Anything is possible!
Way better than Hong Kong, bro. Way better than Hong Kong. Sarap, gagi.
Sarap, no?
Dapat. Pwede ko kunin yung damit. Kala nasa Pinas ako eh.
Masanay ka na. But when he's serious, he can be serious.
Try mo na, bro.
Mang-invade muna ako ng camera.
Harap mo sa'yo, bro. Yan.
Ha ha ha. Mang-invade muna tayo ng camera. Kylie Menes. Plus Danny Cuts.
Pero if may first timer na Pinoy na pupunta dito, what's the best you can recommend? First thing to do here in Macau.
I got it.
Ano yan?
So first thing, once you land, come to us for a haircut.
Yo!
Okay, but for real though, what is it?
Honestly, ano lang. Yung mga ganitong lakad talaga yung ano eh. Yung marirecommend eh.
Okay, in my opinion, we need to eat good food.
Exactly.
And then,
Go haircut with...
again,
Danny
go.
Cuts.
And,
Pat Barbero. Hashtag
and-
Pat Barbero. Pat Barbero. Yes.
Ito, ginupitan niya po si Tony Mitchell.
Aha.
No, it's for free, bro. Seryoso. Hindi, walang scam. It's ano,
Beef jerky.
Yeah, it's ano, parang bibigay lang. Wait, what's beef jerky in Taga?
Kasama ako sa ano, scam.
Hindi to scam, hindi yan scam. It's just free. They won't ask you to buy it.
Scam suntoy.
Hello, tingnan mo sila, tingnan mo. Yeah.
Ano yan? Try it with me, bro. Try it with me, bro.
Sige, kayo ni Pat. Oh, boss, I.
What did you say?
Boss, I.
What's that?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Tamis, bro.
Ba?
Alam ba bawal ako mag-beep? Mag-beep? May gout ako eh.
Yun lang.
Hindi ko nga kinain eh. Kasi ito tingin mo pa.
Alright.
Lakas ng beef taste nito.
Nakaka ano yung...
How is so good?
Oh shit, he's in the Lancer Club.
EDA.
Wanna ride, bro? Aha. Macau.
Do you recommend going back? Pinas.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yes. Solid dun eh.
Anong factor makapagpa-move back sa'yo sa Pinas?
Kung kaya ko sigurong sahurin yung nasa Saudi.
Saan mo ito? Pero how's the
Kung
cost of living
mag-invest.
here?
It's okay. I would say it's even better than Philippines.
Mm.
Masyado nang mataas.
If I can
Masyado
double what I
mataas.
make there, here, why not?
Oh, bakit hindi?
You would consider? Go then.
Of course. But it's always the benefits that keeps us staying here in Macau.
Yeah.
Kamusta ba yung government here?
Okay, solid,
Okay siya?
solid naman. Hindi naman siya to the point na napapabayaan.
Of course, there's gonna be some stuff that you won't like, but it's okay.
It's still bearable. Kasi hindi talaga napapabayaan.
We get like 70k pesos every year for free.
Oh!
Plus, another 6K.
When you work, if working ka na.
Basta citizen ka.
citizen
Basta
ka. Babies, bro.
Yeah. Babies get 1,500 per month. So a year is like 16K? Yeah.
Pero ano yung minimum sa peso here? Like, minimum
Wage.
Oh yeah.
For white cards is 11 to 12K.
So that's like
Macau dollar.
80 map?
80.
80,000
Oh,
80,000
plus.
pesos.
80,000 pesos.
12k peso?
Hindi, 80,000 pesos plus.
Okay. Guys, mag-one shot muna kami here sa Macau. Before kami umalis, ayun o. Basta Pinoy talaga guys, pag nakakita ng ring, automatic na yan.
It's an ITG!
Yeah! Guys, nasa Macau naman tayo ngayon. Dito tayo shooting lang kami saglit. Galit si Danny ko.
Yo, so I'm calling out Jacob. Jacob Corten. That was his first shot.
Shit. Game on the line.
Danny Kutz is gay if I make this shot.
Sa camera.
Witness.
Oh my god.
Ano nilalook forward mo na magupit?
Honestly, either Kong TV or Pacquiao.
Okay.
Kong TV or... Sir Kong!
Sir Kong, okay.
Sir Kong!
Sino pinaka-memorable na gupitan mo? Tsaka, how does it feel?
Si Nerbon James.
Of course, man. It has to be Devin Booker, man.
Ooh!
So, he's my favorite player, man. I have like 3 or 4 pairs of his shoes. Kaya, dude, alam mo yung conversation na you have with him, hindi mo alam sasabihin mo nang una talaga eh.
Pero as a Pinoy, no? Like, iba, no?
Oo, iba.
Ayun, sa mga hindi nakakalam, ayun, barber sila here sa Macau and at young age, they found nung passion nila and syempre nakaka-proud dun. Sa iba't ibang industry, we all like, syempre we're all growing,
Yes, sir.
diba? We're all like finding ways to survive and to enjoy life. So, ito yung mundo nila dito sa Macau.
Enjoy
And
life
I'm really
first,
glad.
guys.
Yeah, I'm really glad na ma-meet sila pareho. What's name?
Yan ka na naman.
You ready?
And shoot the ball the candy game.
Sama. Wait.
留给威尼斯人吧，走啦。
All white yan.
Yes, sir.
Serious.
White is... Our girlfriends, women section. If you're single, then get a girlfriend first.
What if I don't have girlfriend?
Then buy it for yourself.
Yeah, nowhere to go but Nike Jordan. Nowhere to go. But we have to support. Di tayo pwede sponsor lagi.
Support
Nice.
locals.
Hit me
Hindi
up.
na pala locals to, gagi man.
International. Hit me up. Possible.
At Pat Barbero. Huh?
Hey, yo. Put the beat on.
Come on.
Let's go. Hey, Mr. ITG just got the white socks, pink socks, black socks, and what's next? I can't. I don't rhyme. I'm a flow. It's like
Kyle in Macau, he cashing out. Cause, I don't know how.
Ice matcha latte here sa Pinoy Street Cafe here in Macau. Ano yung